Hello friends! Today we're diving into an exchange many of you have asked about, BYDFi. It's a simple, convenient, and fast crypto exchange that's perfect for beginners and traders who value a clean interface, minimal distractions, and maximum speed. BYDFi is a partner of Newcastle United Football Club, which highlights its official status and strong level of trust. The platform is actively developing, adding new features, and offering very attractive bonuses for new users. In this video, I'll show you how to register on BYDFi, set up security, complete verification, deposit funds, trade on spot and futures, use copy trading, launch trading bots, and work with MoonX, their own built-in DEX. And most importantly, when you register using our link in the description, you'll receive a bonus of up to 8,100 USDT, 1 month of VIP status, and direct support from the exchange team. So rest assured, any question can be resolved. Promo code CryptoPump. Link under the video. Let's go. BYDFi is a modern international cryptocurrency exchange launched in 2020, which quickly gained popularity thanks to its simple interface, high speed, and well thought out structure. The platform was designed with convenience in mind, so there are no overloaded sections or confusing menus. Everything is compact, intuitive, and suitable even for those entering crypto for the very first time. One of BYDFi's advantages is that many features can be used without mandatory KYC. Verification is only required for higher limits and certain operations, meaning most users can start trading right after registration. This makes the platform convenient for those who value privacy, while still allowing full functionality if desired. In terms of speed, BYDFi rivals major exchanges. The terminal processes orders quickly, updates data smoothly, and remains stable even during periods of high market volatility. Security also deserves special mention. The exchange uses cold storage for assets, multi-level account protection, two-factor authentication, and a risk monitoring system. BYDFi continues to grow, adding new tools, expanding both web and mobile capabilities, and regularly running promotions for new users. Thanks to its combination of simplicity, stability, and functionality, the platform has become a reliable tool for both daily trading and long-term strategies. To start working with the BYDFi exchange, you need to go through a quick and simple registration. The whole process takes less than a minute. Follow the link in the description under the video. This is our official partner link with promo code CryptoPump, which activates welcome bonuses of up to 8,100 USDT for new users and 1 month of VIP status for each of our referrals. On the page that opens, choose how you want to create your account, via email or phone number. Enter your email or phone. Create a secure password. Click Create Account. After that, you'll receive a confirmation code by email or SMS. Enter it, and your account will be created. Right after registration, you'll land in your personal dashboard and can move on to setting up security, depositing funds, and trading. The BYDFi interface is very simple, so even complete beginners will have no trouble figuring it out. And don't forget to check the description. We've left plenty of useful links there. After registration, the very first step is to enable the main security settings. This protects your account and funds. Hover over the profile icon in the top right corner. Select Account and Security. Enable two-factor authentication, 2FA. This is the main and mandatory protection element. Click Enable next to Google Authenticator. Step by step, install the Google Authenticator app on your phone. Scan the QR code that appears on the screen. Enter the 6-digit code to confirm. Save the backup key. You'll need it if you lose access to your phone. Once 2FA is enabled, your account will be securely protected and you can move on to verification. BYDFi allows you to trade and use the main features without mandatory KYC. But if you need higher limits, faster withdrawals, and full access to all features, it's better to complete identity verification. How to pass KYC? Hover over the profile icon in the top right corner. Select Identity Verification. Click Start. Choose the type of document. Passport, ID card, or driver's license. Upload a photo of the document. Take a selfie. The system will automatically match the image, enter your residential address, and submit the application. Verification usually takes just a few minutes, after which your status changes to verified. Once KYC is complete, you'll unlock extended limits and additional features. And don't forget, links to all the top exchanges, wallets, and services with unique bonuses are waiting for you under the video. After registration and security setup, you can deposit funds. BYDFi supports convenient methods, cryptocurrency and online exchanges. The interface is extremely simple, so even beginners can figure it out quickly. Method 1, crypto deposit, perfect for those who already have crypto. Hover over the top menu wallet, select deposit, choose a coin, for example, USDT, select the network, TRC20, ERC20, Arbitrum, BNB chain, or another. Copy the address provided by the system. Transfer funds from your wallet or another exchange. Important, the sending network must match the chosen deposit network. If they differ, funds will be lost. After blockchain confirmations, the cryptocurrency will automatically appear in your balance. Method 2, deposit via exchanger. This method is suitable if you don't yet have crypto or want to pay directly with a bank card. Follow the link to the exchanger aggregator in the description under the video. In the left column, select your bank or payment system. In the right column, choose the cryptocurrency, for example USDT, TRC20. Pick an exchanger with a good rating and favorable rate. On the exchanger's side, paste your BYDFi deposit address. Complete the payment. Within a few minutes, the coins will arrive in your account. BYDFi's P2P marketplace is not available in all countries, so for fiat, it's better to use trusted exchangers from the description. You can withdraw both cryptocurrency and fiat via online exchangers. The process is identical to deposits, so we won't dwell on it. Simply repeat the same steps as for depositing, but in reverse, and your funds will be sent to the chosen wallet or bank account. Spot trading on BYDFi is the simplest way to buy and sell cryptocurrency at the current or chosen price. The interface is extremely clear, so even beginners can easily understand it. In the top menu, select Spot. The trading terminal will open. Find the trading pair you need, for example, BTC USDT or any other coin from the list. At the bottom panel, 2 main order types are available. Market order, executed instantly at the current price, convenient for quick purchases. Limit order, you set the price at which you want to buy or sell the asset. Enter the amount or number of coins. Click buy or sell. Once the order is executed, the coins immediately appear in your spot balance. You can withdraw them, exchange them, or use them in other sections of the platform. Futures are one of the key tools on BYDFi, allowing you to profit both from rising and falling markets. Unlike spot trading, here you trade contracts instead of the coins themselves, meaning you can use leverage, open longs and shorts, and apply more flexible strategies. This format is especially appealing to those who want to increase potential profits and use advanced trading methods. BYDFi supports perpetual futures, offers a convenient interface, and ensures high execution speed. The platform is simple to manage, so even beginners can quickly get the hang of it. How to trade futures. In the top menu, select futures. The trading terminal will open with a chart, order book, and trade management panel. Next, set up your trade. Choose a trading pair, for example, BTC USDT. Set leverage. BYDFi allows from 1 up to 100. Beginners are recommended to use minimal leverage, 2 to 5x. Define trade direction. Long, if you expect the price to rise. Short, if you expect the price to fall. Select order type. Market. Open at the current price. Limit. Open at the price you set. Enter the amount. Specify the volume you want to allocate. Set stop loss and take profit. Essential for risk control. Stop loss protects against large losses. Take profit automatically locks in profit. Click open position. All active trades appear in the bottom panel of the terminal. Here you can track P&L, profit loss, see the liquidation price, adjust stop loss and take profit. Close the position fully or partially. And if you want to learn how to invest and trade properly, join our Telegram channel. We explain everything in simple language and share real examples. The link, as always, is under the video. The copy trading section on BYDFi allows you to connect professional traders' strategies and automatically copy their trades. This feature is perfect for beginners who want to earn without doing their own analysis, and for those who prefer the simplest way to trade. How to open copy trading. In the top menu, select copy. You'll see the main copy trading screen with 2 tabs. Top traders. A selection of traders with the best metrics right now, all traders. The full list of available strategies. On the top traders tab, you'll also find the high ROI block. Traders showing the highest returns over the last 30 days. The list is dynamic and updates automatically. Each trader's card displays key indicators, ROI for the period, for example 30 days, maximum drawdown, P&L, trade frequency, number of followers, trading style. To connect, simply click copy on the trader's card. When you open a trader's profile, you'll see performance, ROI and P&L for the selected period, ROI chart, visual dynamics of returns, P&L chart, preferences, main trading pair like BTC, USDT, trading pairs used by the trader, position statistics, trade history, and volumes. How to start copying. Click the copy button, enter the amount you want to allocate to the strategy, confirm the connection. After that, all new trades from the trader will be automatically mirrored in your account. BYDFi lets you customize risk parameters, maximum trade size, loss limit, position count limit, automatic stop copying if drawdown occurs. You can also at any time pause copying, close individual trades, adjust limits, fully disconnect from the trader. BYDFi has a built-in trading bot section, automated strategies that help you profit from market fluctuations without constant monitoring. The platform offers 4 real types of bots, exactly as shown in the screenshot. Spot Grid buys lower and sells higher within a chosen price range, works 24/7. Spot DCA, dollar cost averaging, regularly buys a coin in small portions, lowering the average entry price. Futures Grid, grid strategy on futures, allowing you to earn both on rising and falling markets. Spot Martingale, buys more on dips with larger volumes to recover faster when the price bounces back. How to launch a bot, hover over the top menu and open trading bots. Choose the bot type, for example, Spot Grid. Select a trading pair, for example, BTC USDT. Configure parameters manually, trading range, number of levels, investment amount, or leave some settings as default. Click create to launch the bot. After launch, once activated, the bot works fully automatically. Places grid orders, locks in profits as the price moves. Displays statistics in your personal dashboard. You can at any time. Stop the bot, adjust settings, withdraw profits, view detailed statistics. If you still have questions, join our private referral chat. We answer everything in detail, share experience, and help you figure out even the smallest nuances. The link, as always, is under the video. MoonX is a separate section inside BYDFi where you can buy and trade tokens directly through decentralized networks. In essence, it's a full-fledged DEX marketplace integrated into the exchange. It's especially useful for working with memcoins, new listings, and assets that aren't yet available on centralized platforms. How to open MoonX? In the top menu, select MoonX. Inside, you'll find key tabs, watchlist, tokens you've added manually, new listings, fresh tokens that just appeared, trends, tokens currently showing high interest and activity, X stocks, 24H-vol, DEX screener, additional analytical selections, gainers, losers, top performers, and decliners. Each token is displayed with core metrics, price, 24H change, rise, fall, market capitalization, pair liquidity, number of transactions, trading volume, holder count, security level, quick buy button, for example, purchase with 1/10 SAL. BYDFi offers a convenient mobile app for iOS and Android, fully mirroring the functionality of the web version. Spot, futures, copy trading, bots, the MoonX DEX, and deposits withdrawals. The interface is simple, everything opens quickly, and orders execute without delays. The app is perfect for those trading from their phone. You can quickly check the market, open a trade, deposit funds, or start a bot in just a couple of taps. Updates are released regularly, so the app runs smoothly and supports all the latest features of the exchange. BYDFi uses multi-level protection for accounts and assets, cold storage for the majority of funds, account protection via 2FA, withdrawal confirmations, address protection, suspicious activity monitoring. To raise your security level, go to Profile, Security Center. There you can enable additional measures and set up withdrawal confirmations. For new users, BYDFi offers a bonus program. When registering with promo code CryptoPump, you can receive bonuses of up to 8,100 USDT, credited as coupons and deposit rewards. Rewards depend on your activity, deposits, trading, and completing tasks. BYDFi also runs a referral program. Invite friends and earn extra bonuses and cashback from their trading activity. If you haven't yet liked and subscribed to the channel, now's the time. Links to our Telegram, top exchanges, and wallets are under the video. Final wrap-up. BYDFi is a convenient, multifunctional crypto exchange suitable for both beginners and experienced traders. Simple navigation, fast interface, copy trading, bots, futures, and the built-in MoonX DEX, all in one place. The exchange keeps evolving, adding new tools and strengthening security, an excellent choice for both daily trading and long-term strategies.